Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make paper flowers. These are a fun craft for the whole family. They're so easy to make and they're great for any occasion where you need a little extra decoration, maybe a garland or maybe something to add to the table or for the holidays, and they're fun to do. All you need are scissors, paper and glue. And that's about all there is to it. If you enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That helps my channel grow and I'd really appreciate it if you could find time to do that for me. And here we go. The first thing you'll need is a sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11, any color that you choose. Tear the paper in half and then make a square of one of the halves. You do that by folding one corner up to the side of the paper until it forms a triangle, and then you'll have a little rectangle left over at the top. From one half of the sheet of paper you can get 3 triangles and a little piece left over which could form the center of your flower. Take the triangle you've made and fold it corner to corner to make another triangle, and you can do this a couple of times depending on how good your scissors are. Keeping all the open edges at the top, draw a cut line for the top of the petal. Cut along the curved line with your scissors to give you the petal shape. Open it out and this is what you have, and you can see that you still have more cutting down the lines to give you a petal shape. If you like, you can put a little notch or dip in the top of the petal. That looks very nice when it's curled. And now you have the bottom layer of the flower. There's still more to do to it. The next step is to curl the petals slightly. I used a skewer, but you could use a toothpick. And here's what the petal looks like curled. And when they're all curled, it makes quite a difference to the flower. It gives it a more realistic look. In this flower, I used 3 layers to form the flower, and I think it looks quite nice. And you can put what you like in the center. You could use more paper curled up and cut into stamens, or a button, or a rhinestone, anything you can think of really. Here's one. I used paper for the center. It looks a bit like a butterfly, doesn't it? And I used glittery nail polish to give it some shine. This flower also has 3 layers and the petal shapes are different. Here's a pink one. You can vary the colors, the petal shapes. You could make more spear-like petals. I'm sure you can use your imagination and find many different ways to make these flowers. These are so much fun to make. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to see more of my videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.